Instant and effective home remedy for children can be a real lifesaver. Let's explore some simple yet powerful remedies that you can easily prepare at home. First, let's make tulsi tea. Add fresh tulsi leaves to 1.5 cups of water. Boil on a medium flame for 10 minutes. Then, strain the water using a strainer. Add lemon juice and mix well. Drink it warm to get relief from cough and cold. Next, honey in ginger juice. Take 1 teaspoon of honey, add 1 teaspoon of ginger juice and a pinch of black pepper. Take this concoction once in the morning and once before going to bed at night to get relief from a sore throat and cough. Turmeric milk. Just add a pinch of turmeric to a glass of milk. Salt water. Take a glass of warm water and mix in half a spoon of rock salt. Gargle it 3 to 4 times a day. Pepper with honey. Dry roast 2 to 3 peppercorns, let them cool down, then make a powder of it. Take a teaspoon of honey and add a pinch of this powder. Though home remedies will not cure a cold immediately, they help to relieve the symptoms and make the child comfortable. That's what a mother needs, a smile on their face.